Setting up AdSense and monetizing videos. Hello, my name is Noni Communications PR. Welcome to this video, where we will be discussing how to set up AdSense and monetize your videos on YouTube. If you're a content creator, monetizing your videos can be a great way to earn additional income. In this video, we'll go over the steps you need to take to get started with AdSense and start earning money from your videos. Step 1. Setting up AdSense. The first step to monetizing your videos on YouTube is to set up an AdSense account. AdSense is the platform that pays you for displaying ads on your videos. To set up AdSense, follow these steps. 1. Go to the AdSense website. 2. Click on the Sign Up button. 3. Enter your personal information and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Once you have set up your AdSense account, you'll need to link it to your YouTube channel. This can be done through the YouTube Creator Studio. Step 2. Eligibility requirements. Before you can start monetizing your videos, you'll need to make sure that you meet the eligibility requirements set by YouTube. These requirements include: 1. Comply with the YouTube Partner Program policies. 2. Have at least 1,000 subscribers. 3. Have at least 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. 4. Have an active AdSense account. It's important to note that YouTube reserves the right to change these requirements at any time, so make sure to check back regularly to ensure that you remain eligible. Step 3. Ad-friendly content. To be eligible for monetization, your videos must also be ad-friendly. This means that your content must be appropriate for all ages and cannot contain any inappropriate or sensitive material, such as violence, hate speech, or sexually suggestive content. YouTube has a review process in place to determine whether or not your content is ad-friendly. If your content is deemed inappropriate, it may be demonetized, meaning that you will not be able to earn money from ads on that specific video. Step 4. Monetization settings. Once you have linked your AdSense account to your YouTube channel and ensured that your content is ad-friendly, you can turn on monetization for your videos. To do this, go to the YouTube Creator Studio, select the Monetization tab, and turn on monetization for each video that you want to monetize. You can also specify which types of ads you want to appear on your videos, such as display ads, overlay ads, or skippable video ads. It's important to choose the right type of ads for your content to ensure that your viewers have a positive experience. Step 5. Maximizing earnings. There are several things you can do to maximize your earnings from AdSense. 1. Create high-quality, engaging content that people want to watch. 2. Encourage your viewers to interact with your videos through comments and likes. 3. Optimize your videos for search engines to increase visibility and reach a wider audience. 4. Stay up to date with YouTube's monetization policies and guidelines. In conclusion, setting up AdSense and monetizing your videos on YouTube can be a great way to earn additional income as a content creator. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.